Hi, this is Ujeng. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to review a mullet panel accessory that will improve the usability of the front space. The front space isn't small, but I was wondering if there is a way to use the space more efficiently. Cybergear sent me a mullet panel accessory, and I'll put the product link in the description below. When you open the box, you'll first see the manual, which has a clear explanation with graphics. The mullet panel comes in two parts, and it's made of metal, not plastic, and it's quite thick, so the quality is pretty good. On the back of the panel, where it meets the metal part on the front, there is a rubber cover to prevent vibration and scratches. This accessory is designed for easy mounting without drilling, and the necessary brackets and Allen wrenches are included. Let's start the installation. First, you need to mount the two brackets in the middle of the front. As shown in the manual, align the position correctly and insert the screws, washer, and nuts. But keep them slightly loose at the first for easier mounting later. Repeat the same process on the other bracket. These brackets are mounted on the lower and upper middle parts of the front. The T-shaped screws are inserted into the gap of the front trim. Now, you need to prep the end side of the brackets. Insert the T-bolt, plastic washer, and nuts, and also loosely tighten. There are circular parts on the both sides of the front, and these are used to attach bracket. Now, use the included wrench to tighten the bracket securely. You just need to mount the mullet panels onto these brackets. First, check if they align well with the brackets and then secure them. Now, the mullet panel accessory installation is completed. You can mount any accessory you want, and I'm planning to install some leftover pouches from the trunk and a first aid kit. And on one side, I'll attach some Velcro straps to make it easier to add other accessories later. I've been using these accessories for a week, and there has been no problems opening and closing the front. And there is no rattlings or vibration noise. If you want to maximize the use of your front space, I'll recommend this accessory. I'll introduce more useful accessories in the future, so please subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out. See ya!